Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the TEKS tool number line. We are working with fractions with a problem related to TEKS 4.3f, and we will solve it in 5 minutes or less. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. All right, so we've got a tube of red paint, tube of blue paint, and we need to find the total amount of paint used, but not the actual total, a reasonable estimate. So we don't need to actually change these fractions into equal denominators and add them like we normally would. We just need to make an estimate. You see our ranges here are about a half or between two numbers or more than one. Okay, so let's take a look at the fractions that we've got right here. And let's start with our red paint. So our red paint is 5/8. So I'm going to draw a number line right here. And I am going to create eighths, but then we'll look at some benchmark fractions. So to make eighths, it's pretty easy. What we're going to do is we're going to cut it in half. Then we're going to cut each half in half. 2 times 2 makes 4. Then we're going to cut each half of a half, or fourth, into half. That's going to make eighths. All right, because 4 times 2 makes 8. So I'm going to make these the half really big. And I'm going to make my fourths, right, a little bit bigger. Okay. So I'm looking at 8. So that's 0, that's 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so my 5/8 is going to be right here. All right, so I can either estimate that as it's kind of right in between the 1/2 or my 4/8 and then my 3/4 or my 6/8. So I can really kind of estimate it either way if I'm wanting to just do some quick calculations. Let's check to see what our blue looks like. Blue is 3/10. And when we're estimating, what we want to use is we want to use the benchmark fractions that are easy to work with. And the easiest ones are going to be half and then the fourths, 1/4 and 3/4. That's probably as small as you want to get in regards to estimating. So let's see where the tenths land. So to make tenths, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it in half. So I'll use the same half right here. But then each half I need to cut into 5 equal pieces. That's 4 lines. I'm just going to do my best. That one, I'm going to move that one right over there a little bit. Okay, so that's my half. And then I'm going to get my tenths. And I really just need this 3/10 right here. All right, so what would that 3/10 look like? Okay, and you see that it's it would land like maybe right around here. And if I'm looking at where it lands, it's going to be a little bit closer to the 1/4 than it would be the 1/2. So we can say this. We can say the blue 3/10 is about, you see how it's kind of close to that 1/4, 1/4. And then my red is 5/8. It's really, I can make it kind of go either way. So let's say I round down, right? Both of those round down a little bit is about 1/2. We can also look to see what happens if I make it 3/4. If I make it 1/2, well, then that's going to be pretty easy because if I need to add my 1/2 and add another fourth, right, I'm going to end up with this 3/4. Okay, so let's see. The best estimate would be between 3/4 and 1. It's not a half because this red paint is a half by itself. It's not between 1/4 and 1/2 because once again the red paint is a half by itself at least, and it's not more than one, right? So if we wanted to make this 3/4, because we weren't really sure where that 5/8 landed, we could have started at 3/4 and moved up, and you see it would have been 3/4 plus another fourth. That would have given me that one. Okay, so either way, how we split that 5/8, our answer is going to be C.